how to recover TikTok account without email and password. So if you want to recover your TikTok account without email and password, then what you need to do is first make sure that you have an internet connection. After having your internet connection, you just need to simply open up your TikTok. After opening your TikTok, now if you want to recover, you need to go with the top right, which has that question mark icon. Agree to the terms and conditions, and from here you just need to simply scroll down and then find an option of recover your account. Or if you don't find the option, you can go with get more help, which is on the bottom, and you can submit a ticket for email support. So click on it, which will take you to the help center. Now here select a topic, which is account ban or suspension, or report a bug, or any other topic, and then select the category, which is recover account, and enter your username with @ and your additional information, which is your contact email and additional details, which should be minimum 50 characters. And you can also add some attachments. So if you've taken any screenshot, you can go and upload that screenshot under your attachments, and after that click on these two options and then go with submit, and after submitting, your problem might be fixed. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.